All right, my name is Kyle Vanderplaat. I'm from West Palm Beach, and this is my 1973 Volkswagen van named Pearl. So I got Pearl from Pensacola, Florida. I drove 8 hours. I woke up at 4 in the morning, drove 8 hours to get her, put her on a car transport trailer, and I've had her for about 2 months. So how I got into the van life, me and my girlfriend Jess, we rented a van about 3 months ago. And it was an Airbnb, so we were able to take the van to the west coast of Florida. We slept in there for a couple days and kind of just got hooked on the van life. So we've had her for, like I said, about 2 months. Some of the stuff that we've done to her is we've scraped out all the rust on the inside and Rust-Oleum painted everything. We've laid the subfloor, so we have a just plywood floor for right now. We plan on doing a vinyl floor. We're still missing the emblem. Obviously, we have to redo our canvas up top, which is a little rusted over. Besides that, it's got good bones. It has 76,000 original miles on it, and the first owner was from Texas, so we still have our Texas sticker on there. And besides that, we plan on redoing this whole storage area. We don't really find that it meets our needs. It kind of has a weird hook in the back for hanging jackets, which we don't really need in Florida. So we'll be redoing that, and then it'll give us kind of a view of this window too, so we don't have such a big blind spot. We've painted all of the inside to make it look a little bit better. The ceiling we're gonna leave. We have someone making curtains for us right now so that we can kind of have some privacy when we go camping. And this is Jessie, my girlfriend.
Hello, Jessie.
And she's been helping put in all the blood, sweat, and tears to go into it. And yeah, that's about it. So that's a picture of the van that we rented first. It was a 71 called the Overcoast van. If everyone wants to check her out on Instagram, Overcoast van.